Assalamu alaikum. Today's video we are going to learn about what is automation testing. So if you are new on our channel, please subscribe to our channel and like this video for getting more informative videos like this. So let's get started. So what is automation testing? Automated testing is a process that validates if software is functioning appropriately and meeting requirements before it is released into production. This is software testing method using scriptive sequences that are executed by testing tools. Automated testing tools execute examination of the software, report outcomes and compare result with earlier test runs. An organization can apply automate test. For example, broad range of cases such as API, unit testing, regression testing. Automation testing, software testing mainly benefit. It is as simpler as much as manual effort as possible into a set of scripts. For example, if a unit test consumes a large percentage of quality assurance, team resources, then this is a process should be evaluated as a candidate for automation. I mean to say that automation testing can run repeatedly at any date of time. This approach fit into with continuous testing as well as continuous integration CI. We all know about that CI and continuous delivery CD development team and practices while aim of code change to the production without gates the required manual intervention. So let's discuss some benefits of automation testing. Automation testing can boost a QA team's efficiency. Some benefits of automation testing may be like high accuracy, better reporting capabilities, increased coverage, enhance resource efficiencies, improve bug detections, increase reusability. For example, when a software tester manually checks a system, he can make a mistake, especially when an application contains hundreds of thousands of lines of code. Automation helps the QA team avoid these human errors and application testing and execute checks in a faster time and faster frame in done with expect that the function that a person is done within that time. Or we can say that there are many misconceptions about automation testing. So what are these misconceptions? The first and the most important misconception is that automation testing provides developers with more free time. No. In reality, automation testing gives developer more time to focus on large issues in the development process. And one more misconception is that automation testing is superior to manual testing. Automation and manual testing both have their advantage, and most comprehensive understanding of an application will come for utilizing both techniques. Automation testing discourages human interaction. In reality, automation testing can enhance conversation by providing that new channel and communication. For example, when we have a GUI based application, the automation or scripting cannot detect that it is clearly visible to user or not. It only checks the functionality of that application, that it's working properly or not. So how does automation testing work? An organization implements test automations with a framework, or maybe we can say that the testing tools and standards. Data driven and keyword driven test automations framework are common as a frameworks for linear scripting and modular testing type. The line scripting framework suits small application because it enables you to test scripting and little planning, but doesn't support reusable script in modular testing. But a software tester creates scripts as small independent tests to reduce redundancy, but this process typically takes more time to set up. It uses data driven DD approach, and it may be used as test driven approach, and many different approaches and many different we can say that we can create many different test cases for our test modules. Or we can it can be used for unit testing. So what is unit testing? A unit test is a different software testing method that can be combined with automation testing. Unit testing examines that the smallest part of an application in order to ensure functionality. Sometimes this includes scanning every line of code as separated piece of line of code and while this can help prevent bugs and limitation assessment of all overall solutions and many other things. So what's the main difference between automated testing and manual testing? Manual testing means that human is doing testing. Okay. Manual testing is exact opposite of automation testing. That's clear. It's involve human writing and performing all tests on the software. While this extra labor may seem like a disadvantage, it enables developer to benefit from ability to draw insight from the examination of each step of the process. Since they require that, we can say that in contrast, one of the tests is written automated testing removed the focus and the middle step instead of focusing on the end result. However, this allows test by repeatedly performed without the help of developer, thus facilitating continuous testing. In contrast, manual testing requires developer to consistently replicate each step of the process for any test that need to repeated on a specific area. Furthermore, we can say that automation testing is frequently used after the software has been developed to run longer tests that we avoid testing during the initial manual testing. When automatic, these lengthy tests can run on multiple computer without configuring. Like we can say that the main difference is we configure is that the automation testing is slightly different. It is completely different from manual testing, because in automation testing we cannot detect, we cannot configure our GUI. For example, the application GUI is not much look like more beneficial to user or much more more interactive to user. So we cannot detect this kind of stuff with automation testing. We can only detect this kind of stuff with manual testing, or human eye can only detect this. But when we have a large application, we have thousands of thousand lines of code, and we require 2 or 3 days to test this complete website, this complete functionality. We can, instead of this, we can use automation testing within an hour, within half an hour. We can test a complete website. So both have advantage and disadvantage. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for getting more informative videos like this. Thank you.